Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we're going to be drawing a spooky Pikachu. To start, we're just going to draw with a head shape first. It's just going to be a oval shape. And once you're done with that, we're just going to draw in the two ears, like so. Let's make this one a little bigger. And then we just need two big cute eyes. And highlights to match. And then let's draw a little nose in the middle and then the mouth. With that done, let's draw in the two sides of the body and then the two paws. The paws down, we can add in the fingers. Just very small fingers. And then to make it spooky, we're gonna turn Pikachu into a witch. So we're gonna draw in a witch hat behind by adding an oval. And then we're just gonna do a simple triangle. And then we're just gonna do these zigzag lines for the witch hat. Once you're done with that, we're gonna add him sitting in a, let's see, sitting on top of a tombstone just to make it cute. So we're just gonna add in the foot here and here, and then draw the body. Draw in the three toes, and then let's do the tail, which is a unique shape. Like so. It's like almost these zigzag lines into a big rectangle into the body. And for the tombstone, we're just gonna draw it really short, like so. And then for the tombstone, we need some grass, so we're just gonna add some grass. And let's draw a little skull, like so. With our lines done, oh oops, forgot the cheeks. With our lines done, let's ink it and then add some color. For the inking process, we're gonna follow the sketch we have, and then we're gonna add in some spooky color. So I'm gonna start off with the ears, just so because they're so big. And just follow along with your sketch lines to reveal your drawing. Eyes are pretty big, so I'm gonna try to get them really round, like so. And we have a lot of areas that could be pure black, so I'm just going to color those in right now. So the ear tips are black and the eyes are also black. Oops, went a little out, so we just clean that up a little. That's looking really cute, and then let's add the little nose. What are your favorite Pokemon, and which Pokemon would you like to see as a spooky Pokemon? Leave it in the comments down below, and then we'll try to get some more drawings done before Halloween starts. Alright, the face is pretty much completed. Let's add this hat back in. Just go around for the brim of the hat. Let's add a little bit of room for the top of the hat. And let's draw in these zigzags to make it really a cookie witch hat. And for the paws, let's go down, draw a few fingers. I actually don't know how many fingers he has. I think it's 5. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's draw the side of the body, leaving some room for the feet. And let's do 3 toes for the feet. I don't think we need all 5. It might be too many or too little. Line for the bottom, and for the tail, it's those zigzag with the big rectangle. Like so. It's looking really cute. And for the grass, it's the simple lines. We don't have to go too detailed. And for the tombstone, let's just draw the sides in and the bottom. Finally, the skull of the tombstone. Really simple shapes. I think the tail is split right here, so we're just gonna add 2 zigzags right there. Doing this a little bit of cleanup. And let's erase our lines we had previously added. If you're liking the video so far, please leave a like and subscribe. That would help a ton. If you have any suggestions for any other Pokemon, please leave it in the comments down below. Alright, as we're erasing, we don't have to clean it up 100%, just enough to get rid of mostly the darker lines. Alright, with the lines gone, we can add some color right now. There you have it. Your very own little spooky Pikachu sitting on a tombstone. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.